Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Cartstack. Cartstack is one of the most popular abandoned cart recovery platforms, and it can be integrated on numerous softwares or platforms. For this example, I will be integrating it on my Shopify store, but you'll realize once I'm going through this tutorial that it can be added to numerous platforms. And you can get started with Cartstack for free. I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to a page just like this, and you can tap on Start My Free Trial. After selecting Start My Free Trial, from here you can enter in your name and email address, then select I am not a robot, and you're going to tap on Get Started. After selecting Get Started, from here you can either choose e-commerce, which I will be choosing since I will be using Shopify for this example. But if you run an hotel or B&B, you can select hotels or you can select others. So if you were to select e-commerce, from there I'm going to select I'm managing one website. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here you can enter your company name, then you can create a password. So I'm just going to be creating a password real quick, so let's do that. So let me create the password. After you have created the password, you can see about how many orders does your store process per month. I'll be selecting 100 to 300. Then you're going to tap on Complete Setup. After selecting Complete Setup, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to need to add in your website address. To add in your website address, all you'll need to do is copy the URL. So if you're doing Shopify, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and tap right where you see View Your Online Store. Then you're going to copy your store URL and go back into Cartstack, and you're going to paste it right there. After you have done that, you can add in your send name. So for example's sake, I'll type in Jason right there. And you can also add in the email address that you would like to send from. Then you can set up the time zone, and you're going to tap on Save Website Details. After you have done that, it is now time to connect to your site. So you'll tap on Select Platform. And as I was saying earlier, it is easy to integrate onto numerous platforms. You can see right there that it offers integration on many platforms, as you can see right there. But we're going to be selecting Shopify. Then you'll simply copy this code. After you have copied the code, you'll go back into your Shopify store. Then you're going to tap on Online Store from the left-hand menu option. Once you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to select Edit Code. Once on this page, you're going to tap on Theme Liquid from the top left-hand corner. Then you'll simply tap anywhere on the page. And for example, if you're using a Windows device or like how I'm using an Apple device, I'm going to tap on Command F. If you're using a Windows device, you'll tap on Alt F. Then you're going to go into Cartstack, and I want you to select the head icon right here. Then you'll copy it, and you're going to go back into Shopify and you'll paste it right here. We just want to find this section, then tap on Next. And just like what they suggest, we'll be pasting the code right above that tag. So you'll select the tag once more, go back, and right where you see script, you would simply tap on Enter, and you're going to paste in the code right there. Then you'll tap on Save. Once it has been saved, you will go back into Cartstack. Then from there, you're going to paste in your shop URL once more. So we'll copy the shop URL, paste it in right here. Then you're going to tap on Verify, and keep in mind that the verification process normally takes between 2 days, as you can see right there. Then you'll tap on Create First Email, and you can tap on Design My First Email. From here, you can see the trigger, which will be when the user abandons a cart. You're going to tap on Add Email. After you have tapped on Add Email, you can toggle on the send status. You can choose the send delay rate, whether it be 20 minutes after the user abandons the website, or 30 minutes, or up to 3 days, or so on. I'll select 30 minutes. Then from there you can select the subject, and we're going to tap on create email content. After selecting create email content, from here you can access the different templates. So you can tap right where you see view system or library templates. Then depending on the type of website that you have, I'm going to be selecting e-commerce. You can see different template options that you can choose from. And I'm going to be using this one for example's sake, and we'll tap on use this template. After selecting use this template, you can customize the page to your liking. So you can add your logo right there. You can change the text, you can change the images, you can change the percentage that you'll be offering and all of that. And you can edit it from the right hand column, as you can see right there. You can edit each section. Once you're finished editing the sections, all you'll need to do is tap on publish changes in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting publish changes, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see that it has been added right here. So we have now added our email template. After adding your email template, you will tap on continue with setup in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can scroll down and you can see the confirmation page. We'll tap on launch campaign, and from there you will be able to launch your campaign. But because it is still verifying, you wouldn't be able to do that now. But you can look on the different features that Cartstack also have. So by going over to the left hand menu option and tapping on the third icon, you can see right there email cart abandonment and browse abandonment. They also offer SMS option, web push option, or on-site exit intent pop-ups, and send my cart. So there are numerous features that you can get access to. As you can see right here, by scrolling down, you can see the different features right there that you will get access to once your website has been verified. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.